When filling out forms in iScout and selecting pieces of equipment or user profiles, you can actually get a preview of those items right there in the report as you're filling it out. In the past, these previews have only displayed when the observer was completing the form, but now you can include these previews in the response when analyzing your data. To enable this, you will go into your Forms editor and then scroll down and find your Equipment field and Employee field, and next to one of those, click Edit. So if you go to the Settings tab inside of this field, you can find Show Preview on Response here under Settings, and you're going to check that box. I can select Done on the Equipment, and I can do the exact same thing for my Employee dropdown. So I select Done, then Save, and now when I go to fill out the form, select my boxes, and now when I select this vehicle, it's going to show me a preview of that information. I can expand out a little more info there. And then when I select a driver, it's going to add the driver to this as well. Selecting a vehicle and an employee will display a preview of their profile in the form for the observer. So now if I submit that and I go in to view that response, we will be able to see those profile previews as part of the report. These preview fields will be part of the PDF export of this report, but not the Excel download. However, in this case, the Excel file would include the asset number and employee name. The preview will be captured as seen by the person filling out the form, so if they have permission to see private information, then that same information will be shown to anyone who is able to view the response later. If you have any questions on profile previews or any other aspect of iScout, visit help.iscout.com or shoot us an email at help@iscout.com.